This quick how-to provides step-by-step instructions on how to fix elements in your PCB designs with OrCAD X Presto. When completing a PCB layout, there are some elements that are critical to design functionality or integration with mechanical housing, such as connectors, switches, critical routing, RF circuits, fanouts, and mounting holes. These elements should be locked or fixed to prevent changes throughout the PCB layout and ensure a successful end product. OrCAD X allows you to quickly and efficiently fix elements in your PCB designs to ensure design integrity and help prevent errors. First, we'll fix mounting holes, which should be locked to prevent movement during the layout process and ensure proper integration with the mechanical housing. Click to select a mounting hole on the PCB. Hold down Control and select the remaining mounting holes. In the Properties panel, select the lock icon. The lock turns blue, indicating these are now fixed elements on the PCB. To verify all mechanical components have been locked, select the hyperlink for mechanical components. The search panel opens, pre-filtered to only show the mechanical components. All elements are locked as indicated in the first column. Next, we'll fix important components such as main ICs and components which will interfere with the mechanical housing, like connectors, switches, and LEDs. Under Reference Designator, select the filter icon. In the wildcard filter, enter J and click OK. View the search panel. The design information has been filtered to only show components with reference designators containing J. Select the lock icon in the first column of the search panel for each of the connectors listed. Select the filter for the reference designator again. In the wildcard filter, enter U and click OK. Select the filter for state. Select the filter icon again. In the drop-down menu, select Place and click OK. The search panel displays components with the reference designator U that are placed on the PCB. Click the lock icon for each returned search result. In the search panel, select Reset to clear the configured filters. Select XP1 at the bottom of the board. In the Properties panel, select the lock icon to fix the element on the PCB. Next, we'll fix critical elements such as RF circuitry and intricate layouts to ensure proper operation. In the search bar, type RF and select Enter. The components in the RF circuitry have been returned. Some components have been locked and cannot be modified as indicated with the grayed out lock in the search panel. Press Ctrl-A to select the returned results, then right-click and choose Select on Canvas. View the RF circuitry. Hold down Control and select the ground shape encompassing the RF circuitry. In the Properties panel, the lock icon has an ellipses next to it, indicating some of the selected components are locked. Select the lock icon to fix the entire selection. Sensitive traces, fanouts for BGAs, and other traces that are critical to the functionality of the PCB can also be locked in place to prevent movement. This is especially important if using interactive and advanced routing features such as shove, which may move traces to accommodate other routing. In the selection filter, select all objects to deselect all objects. Then select traces and vias. This will enable you to only select traces and vias in the PCB canvas. Highlight U37 as well as the vias in the fanout. In the Properties panel, select the lock icon to lock the fanout in place. Navigate to the routed traces for U1. Select the traces by clicking and dragging the PCB canvas. In the Properties panel, select the lock icon to lock the traces in place and prevent modifications. Quickly and efficiently fix elements in the PCB, such as components, mounting holes, critical routing, fanouts, and RF circuitry, to lock design elements and prevent modification during the layout process with OrCAD X. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.